guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Brooke and this is Real Life Beauty. Today we are going to be talking all about Ardell's Magnetic Lash and Eyeliner. And I'm going to be putting this to the test, and I'm going to actually input an earlier video because I've tried this out 2 or 3 times to really give it like a good chance. I wanted to really give it a good shot. I'd seen some videos with the magnetic lashes on the top and the bottom, and I didn't even go that route because, to be honest with you, just having something on the upper and the lower of my top lashes, I know that A, it would feel heavy, I wouldn't like it, and I'm not a huge eyelash wearer, or these in general. Like I think I would only wear eyelash extensions if I were going to a really special event, and to be honest with you, I don't really go to a lot of special events. On top of that, I am a huge lover of Lash Boost from Rodan & Fields. So these are my natural lashes that I have right now, so they're already pretty long, but I kept seeing this product over and over and over and over again. And so I was like, you know what, why not give it a shot? Because I often do wear eyeliner, and if I was gonna put my eyeliner on and I could just stick some lashes that would magnetically stick to them, then yeah, that's awesome. So let me tell you a little bit about the product. This retails, and I believe I got this at Walmart for $13.99. CVS has them for $15.99, but it was buy 2 get 1 free. So I don't know if it was of the exact product or if you could mix and match, because obviously Ardell has tons of different lashes, and some of their lashes I truly love. The actually the Demi Wisps that they have are the one brand that I have tried before and I do enjoy. So a little bit about the product. It has no adhesive, obviously it's long lasting, it's waterproof, paraben and latex free. All of the instructions are located on the back of the package, so it's pretty easy to follow. I went through it, I followed it. I did not watch any videos pertaining to these because I wanted to try them. Like, I wanted to genuinely give you an honest review and tell you what I thought of them. Did they work? You know, I'm an almost 40-year-old mom, I'm a realtor, I'm working, I'm a wife. I need something that can go quick and easy, and if this was something that worked for me, girl, I'd be buying this for all my friends for Christmas. So I want you to tell me what you think at the end of the video, see if these were a winner for me, and let's just get to it. Yeah, every time I get one side, then the other side comes undone. So we're gonna try this again the next day. Today I'm gonna try, instead of using the, I can't think of the word, but the, oh gosh. It's not even Monday, okay? The eyeliner brush that they give with the package, I'm gonna try my own that I enjoy. And this is a Luxie brush I got in an Ipsy bag months and months and months, maybe even like 2 years ago. So I'm gonna try that and see if I have any better luck. All right, Mama Girl put that on heavy, at least for me. So let's see. Darn it. Where am I? The store in my life. Okay, technically they're kind of on, but they're like not staying. They're not staying on the right way. Like, I have to zoom you in, but I can't get the inside to stay. It's that one little piece, and then it pops off the end. Urgh. Like, the middle is secure, and everything else ends up popping off. Okay, technically it's on, okay? But it doesn't feel secure. And it looks like, and you can't see this in the video, and I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in, but it looks like where I've drawn the magnetic liner on, it's attached to the top of the liner, not maybe middle or bottom. So there looks like there's a gap in between, if that makes any sense. Yeah, like it keeps popping off. All right, I'm gonna give the other try on the other eye, even though this one's probably easier for me, and then we will see what we can find out. All right, I did that one really thick. So let's see if I can pop this on. It's the same thing. I'm gonna zoom you in. That's out. Can you see? It keeps coming off on the inner eye. Now this one is same thing. Same thing on both eyes. So frustrating because they're really pretty, but I would never wear them out because I'd be afraid that they would fall off. And it's really that inner portion. I mean, I'm not happy with them anyway. It's not this, no, and then now this is coming up, like this one's off. So obviously you guys can tell from the video, these were just, they were an epic fail. Like they weren't even a little fail. Like I really wanted these to work because I love the concept of it. It just doesn't work. Maybe it works for some people, maybe people who wear much more thicker bands for their eyeliner, maybe that works. But for me, on the inner corner of my eye, which I think is where I was having the most problem, I don't want a whole bunch of goopy stuff in there. I need to keep my eye nice and open as much as I possibly can. And then every time I would attach it at the beginning or inner corner, it would pop off on the outer corner. So I think that this is a hard pass for me. I can't recommend it. It's going back. I'm definitely returning this. There's a whole bunch of different lashes. I would be happy to do a video about lashes if you guys are interested in that. Things, glues that I think are better to use, the process of application. It's very similar to this. You can use tweezers, you can use, they have like little lash holders you can use. I prefer the glue that goes on white. It does dry down clear, only because you can see where it is. And that for me is helpful when I'm applying lashes. But yeah, this was a no-go for me. I would be interested to maybe try another product if somebody else recommended it and had a lot of success with it. But for me, this was a no-go. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoy videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. That way you will be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.